pouring is essentially painting with acrylic paints that have been diluted so they become a fluid or runny consistency. This is generally achieved by mixing in water and or other pouring mediums. Acrylic pour painting can be done on a variety of different surfaces and in countless ways. It's a super fun art form that anyone can learn and do. Hey guys, if you're new to acrylic pouring, I made these videos here for you. Check them out and subscribe for tons more bite-sized lessons to get you started. I'm Anna and this is Acrylic Pouring Academy. Quick answers to all your fluid art questions. Thanks for watching, God bless, and go make some art.